What's up, guys? What's up, good people? All right, man. Hey, man. The past videos, basically, first of all, I just want to thank everybody that watched the video and shared the video and comment on the video. And basically, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I made the video to inspire and motivate the box truck community. So basically, that was my attempt to just motivate, because I follow a few groups on Facebook and I watch a few YouTubers, and I subscribe to a few YouTubers that does the same thing, and they inspire me, they motivate me, right? So basically, my video was just the same thing, an attempt to motivate and as well as inspire the community, all right? But I got an overwhelming amount of comments and questions which I was not prepared for. Okay, so first of all, I just wanted to thank you guys for sharing and subscribing and commenting. And if you guys do like the content, if you guys want more content, I will make an effort to put more content out there, guys. So basically, it was just my attempt to just inspire and motivate. So there's some negative comments on there, guys say I'm bragging about how I'm making 5K. I'm not really sharing the information, I'm just bragging. Guys, if that's what you got from it, that was not my intention. My intention was to motivate you guys, all right? So with this video, I will try to answer a few of the questions that you guys had. Not just a few, guys. You guys had tons of questions. You guys reached out on Facebook. You guys reached out on YouTube. So this is my attempt to answer majority of those questions that you guys had, and actually kind of break down how I got started. All right, guys. So if that's what the information you're seeking on how to get started, in this video, I will break it down a little bit. All right, and I'll kind of give you guys a little bit of the grind that I'm doing, what I'm doing, how I'm able to make that type of money, 5K a week with the box truck. All right, locally in the Houston, Texas area. All right, so I have a few friends that does it. All right, a few friends that has a box truck. And first of all, I want to let you guys know that's my side hustle. All right, I am a process operator. I work at a chemical plant. I'm already making 6 figures a year. All right, so that's my side hustle on my downtime. When I have downtime, I get in the box truck. So I'm not bragging. I'm just trying to inspire, guys. So if you find any value in the video, share it, subscribe to it. But if not, guys, yeah, I mean, the negative comment, I mean, you could put it. I mean, it doesn't bother me, not one bit. So basically, I was looking for an extra stream of income. All right. So I have a lot of downtime. I work a DuPont schedule, and I have a lot of downtime. Okay. So sometimes I'm at home, and when you have so much downtime, you know what they say, idle mind is the devil's playground. So, you get into a lot of trouble. You're out, at the bars drinking, every day when you're not working or stuff like that. So I wanted to find something else to do with my downtime. So I was following a few box truck, because the box truck community on Facebook, I've been following a few groups and they inspire me. And that's what I was trying to do, inspire guys back, with that same video. So they inspire me, they motivate, they congratulate guys. So I went ahead and jump in the game, So if you don't take action, you're not gonna get anywhere. So that's what I did. I got my authority, and if that's something you want to know how to do, that's something you could get done on your own. You could get your authority done by yourself. You don't need anyone to show you how to get an authority. You could just file for it yourself. First, you're gonna need your LLC. Second, you're gonna need your EIN number. Third, you buy a truck. That's a step I took. I bought the truck, and then I got my DOT number, insurance in the truck, an MC number, and was able to get my my authority activated. So that's a step. So if you guys want me to break that down in a little more detail and tell you guys how to go about doing it, what to do, and you could get somebody to do it for you for cheap. All right, you don't really need to pay crazy amount of money to get that done. So you could get on Facebook. There's tons of box truck communities and groups out there in Facebook. All right, so you could just post that question out there on Facebook and ask those guys, hey, who can help me with that? And you will get a lot of results. All right, so So basically, that's how I got started. I got the truck. I got me a 26-foot box truck, international. It's max force engine. I know it's not really a common engine that something that guys like, but it's reliable, guys. It's a reliable truck. I'm not really going out of town with it much, so I'm really staying locally with it. So I'm hoping it's not gonna break down on me anytime soon. So it's been reliable for me. So I just want to answer some of the questions, guys. I got so many questions. I don't know where to start. So you don't need a CDL. That's one of the questions I got a lot of. You don't need a CDL for a box truck. All right. It's always good to have one. It's good to have a CDL, but you don't need a CDL to drive the box truck. All right. And as well as they asked me if I got my own authority. Yes, I have my own authority. And what I'm doing, you don't really need an authority to do it. All right. Because you locally, if you're driving locally in the state, in your own state, you don't need an authority to do it. You just need a DOT number, MC number, and you're good to go. All right, and insurance as well. You do need insurance on your vehicle, on a commercial vehicle. You need insurance. All right, the next question I got a lot of was what insurance company I'm using. I am using Progressive, guys. Progressive do offer commercial vehicles. If you guys are in the Houston area and you guys want me to share my contact, I have this young lady that worked with me and she was able to get me a good rate. I'm paying $800 a month on my commercial box truck. All right, so in the Houston, Texas area. All right, so that might not be typical for your state or wherever you are, but that's one of the questions I got and I'm trying to answer it. So the next question I got a lot of was how am I doing it? All right, so here we go. Here's how I'm trying to answer that question, guys. I'm just grinding. All right, I'm just hustling. And I don't know if you guys could tell from my accent, I'm not from here, man. I'm from the Caribbean. All right, so we Caribbean people, we hustle. We always try to find something to do. And there's something common with the Jamaicans. They always say Jamaicans, they have 10 jobs, 8 jobs. So it's in our nature as Caribbean people to be the breadwinner, the go-getter, the grinders. All right, so that's what we do. We always go get it. We're always doing something. We're always being creative. All right, so after I got the box truck, I called up a few companies. All right, that's what I did. I called up a few companies, asked them if they were looking for any drivers. Some of them told me no, some of them told me yes, and they gave me the requirements that they're looking for. And I was able to negotiate some prices with those guys, and let them know, hey, this is what I'm looking for. And as well as I have a friend that always need a box truck because he's a DJ and he's always moving his equipment, his stereo equipment, maybe every week, every other week he moves it. And what he used to do was rent a U-Haul truck. So I told him, hey, I'm gonna be your man. All right, so you don't need to rent a U-Haul truck. All right. And another thing I did, friends that's moving, I let them know, hey, if you're moving, I have a box truck. I'm not gonna be your mover. I will park the truck by your house, let you fill it up, and then I will drop it off to your location, to your destination, and let you empty it out. And you just you pay me whatever price we negotiate, okay? So that's another step I took. And one of the most lucrative steps that I took was I contacted the furniture companies out here in Houston, Texas. There's Ashley Furniture, there's the Cons, there's Sears. I called up a bunch of them. I called a bunch of them up and I told them, hey, and I went up there with my card as well to a few of them, and I hand my card to some of the salesmen, and I told them, hey guys, if you sell a piece of furniture, or you sell a television, you sell a refrigerator, and you don't have a driver to move that for the customer immediately, and they want that stuff immediately, here's my number. I have a truck, I have a box truck, I have insurance. It's reliable, it's good condition. So if they need a driver to take that stuff to their home, here's my card. So that has given me a overwhelming response. And in that case, doing that, I'm able to negotiate my own price. All right. I could, they call up, hey, how much it costs to move the furniture from such and such location. I get on Google Maps, look at the how far it is, and I just let them know, hey, $100. It's $200. And it might not be too far. It might be 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I'll just let them know $100. I'll take it over there to them. But I'm not going to assemble anything. I'm not going to unassemble anything. I'm just going to drop it off to your yard. I might help you put it inside. Depends on how nice you are, or, if you're, but I'm a nice person, so I'll help them. But that's how I make the majority of my money right there. And the company I'm driving for, the company basically pays me 75% of the rate. All right, so, and I'll move throughout the day. I'll move maybe 20 of those runs. I'll do like 20 of those runs, and it'll be like a 15-minute. The furthest I'll drive is like 15 minutes away to pick up and drop off, maybe to the airport. And I'll do maybe 15, 16 a day, depends on what they got going on. And especially when it's close to the weekends, like Friday and Saturday. A lot of the drivers don't like driving on Saturdays. They'll call me up like, hey, I got a lot of load. This one paying 200, this one paying 250. I got a hot shot going 10 minutes away, guys. 10 minutes. Hot shot is going 10 minutes away. Depends on the weight. $300, 10-minute drive. Okay. So this is my attempt at answering the questions that you guys have. I know there's a lot of questions I'm missing out on. So, but I'm pretty sure what I just gave you guys, the information I just gave you guys, it could probably help you guys get started and just hustle, guys. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna be straightforward with you guys. That 5K a week is not typical locally. All right. If you're going out on the road, you drive it from state to state with the box truck. That's possible easy. You will make that easy with, you're getting loads of the load board, or you're getting, however you got to dispatch. That's easy. You can make that, but locally it's not typical. So you got to hustle, you got to grind, you got to get up and go get it. So those are the tricks that I use. All right. I called up the furniture companies. I called up Cons. I called up IKEA. I called up Cons. I called up Sears. I called up Gallery Furniture, and I went up there and just hand the sales guys my business card. I just give them my card. I tell them, hey guys, I have a transportation company, and this is what I'm doing. So if you sell a piece of furniture and they want to, because every time I buy a piece of furniture, I'm excited. I want to take it home today. I don't want to wait 3 days. So that's how I am. So I'm thinking that if they sell the furniture, whoever bought the furniture want that furniture at the house the same day. So a refrigerator or whatever is a TV, they want it home the same day. They don't really want to wait for somebody to bring it a few days later. So go out there, guys, hustle, hand out your business card, talk to the sales guys, network a little bit, and that's the tricks. That's what I use, man. That's really what I use. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, and it's been working for me pretty good. So it's not typical. When I first got started, I was not making that kind of money a week, but I do. My weeks that I'm off, that I go straight, I work straight with the box truck, I make 5K plus a week. All right, guys. So, hey, subscribe to the channel, share the video. If you found any good content, or if you got any value from what I just shared, all right? But I promise you guys, I will keep doing this. I will keep sharing my information. I will keep sharing however I'm doing it. There's tons of questions that I want to answer, so if I'm forgetting something, I will go back through the previous videos, and write down some of those questions, and I'll try to answer those questions. And as well, guys, reach out, all right? Reach out Facebook, reach out on YouTube, and I will answer those questions. All right, guys? So this is just a Q&A. And I will do a little more of those videos and answer a few more questions, because there was tons of questions I couldn't answer. So I'll see you guys on the other side. All right.